When I was younger, I always used to be fascinated by cars. I would go to car shows with my dad, relatives, and I just kind of fell in love with it. My name is Jay McDonald. I'm in the collision repair program here at Pennsylvania College of Technology. The big thing that drew me to Penn College in this major was the amount of time we spend working in the lab compared to the time that we spend in the classroom. I work better with my hands, and we spend probably 75 to 80% of our time in here in the labs. This is the live repair lab. There's sections to do structural work, suspension work, electrical work, body work, and of course the 3 paint booths, 4 prep decks, and a wash bay. We take in either students or teachers' cars. We write estimates, we order parts, we map out a repair plan, we do all the paint work, detail work, and it runs like an actual collision repair shop. We have a brand new aluminum welder. We have a 3D measuring system which allows us to accurately detect any type of structural damage, and it tells us exactly where that is. We have a virtual reality paint system. It's called a SimSpray. It helps you build your technique so that way when you do get in the booth, you have your technique down. The 2 paint systems that we use here, both water-based paints. One is PPG and one is Axalta, 2 of the bigger names in the paint industry. We've paired with Honda, and they've donated vehicles to us and given us their repair procedures, the tools, and the products in order to get them back to their pre-accident condition. When we walk out of here, we'll be Honda certified. When we graduate, we'll have the student I-CAR and ASE certifications, which are pretty much required in the industry nowadays. What we have here is amazing. Even if you're on the fence, just come here, give it a try, give it a shot, and you'll definitely learn something.